What's up? I'm back with another video. As you know, I've posted a lot of videos working on this motorhome, and well, it's not over yet. Maybe some of you remember how it was looking back then. The walls were rotten and they had insects in them and holes. I had a bunch of infiltrations in the roof, and there were also some infiltrations on the left side, and I had to repair them. This is my solar setup, a 40 amps controller, and it's doing its job pretty nice. This is the furniture that I've repainted all and modified it to fit my needs. I cut the furniture in a way that I find suitable for myself and for my girlfriend. This is all, by the way, this is all isolation on the floor and where you see, because we do plan to use this RV in the winter sometimes. I have around 6 millimeters of isolation on the floor. Down here I have my battery and I have isolation on both sides because I have a huge hole in the floor and I need to cover it just like this. More storage space for us. This is the back seats, which are also isolated, and under that is the trunk of the RV. This is the bathroom. It's alright. This is the bed. I've also isolated this stuff again. I've isolated everything, even these spaces right there and that place also, because I want to make sure I don't freeze. Those are my tools, which I have a lot of them. This is the place where all the wiring is going in and out, and I need to cover this stuff up. This is the furniture that I made, and in the back and the front some storage spaces, kitchen space, and it works like this. Bam. Okay. And this stuff like this, and when you wanna put them up, you're gonna put like this and like this, and this is gonna go on the right, and it's so close to touching, but it's not touching because I calculated it and I'm a genius. For now, this is how the front seats look. I want to test the battery because I just got a new battery, so I'm gonna try to set up my laptop. I have a gaming laptop which is using like 150 watts of power. Let me get my gaming setup ready and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna play maybe some Assassin's Creed Mirage, which is not really a great game. Okay, it's a gigabyte and it has an RTX 450. Yeah, it's pretty strong, so it's gonna use some power. My girlfriend knows that I'm working on the RV, but well, I'm more like playing. So how is this gonna work? I'm gonna turn my inverter on, which is, let me show you, which is this one. This is coming from the battery inside there. So the energy is coming from the solar panels up there into the charging controller, and then to the battery. From the battery the energy goes to the inverter, and from there to the 220 volts, and from there to my laptop. This is how it's gonna go. So I turn this on, I pull this old stuff out and plug my laptop in. Okay, okay, this is gonna turn on. Come on. Oh, by the way guys, I didn't show you the lights yet, which I just added. Yeah, that's it. Okay, this stuff is the best. So let's start playing. Okay, so the battery is heating up. It's 17 degrees now. So we are watching some donkeys in Assassin's Creed Mirage, and solar panels are charging 20 volts. Okay, let's see how long it's gonna hold up. And yeah guys, that's the RV. I hope you like it, and I'm gonna come with an update in a few weeks with everything finished, and it's probably gonna be winter by then and we're gonna be moved in. Everything is gonna be so comfy. Yeah, I showed you the panels, right? I think I showed you the panels. That's it. And yep. Yes, I stay in a very secluded place in the woods. This is the RV. It's a 1993 Fiat Ducato and 2.5 liter engine, diesel, of course. That's the bathroom. This is where I keep my heating system, the gas and everything. And as I mentioned before, I had a bunch of holes in this RV. I had to repair them. I had a huge square in the back, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 holes. Yeah, I know. And more storage space, and that's all the storage space there is. I'm gonna hit you up in a few weeks because I don't have battery on my GoPro. I have like 10%. See ya guys. And also, if you like vlogs, go on my channel. We also hike a lot, and I have some motorcycle vlogs. Yeah, but we are probably gonna hike more in the future because of this beauty. See ya guys, take care. And if you wanna do something like this, watch my videos. Maybe it's gonna help you, maybe not. Take care, bye.